Hello, you lovely people. This is me, the Bombay chef Varun, and welcome back to Get Curried. Well, talking about cheese is a wonderful addition to a lot of Indian delicacies, like say your cheese pav bhaji, cheese korma, and many such delicacies. And remember, we always say cheese because it makes us smile. Well, talking about smiles, let me introduce you to one of my most special cheeses, because that not just adds flavor, but heaps of joy and happiness to our dishes. I'm talking about Britannia, the laughing cow cheese, which is my go-to for every cheesy indulgences. And I am making a very special recipe today, which is Veg Cheese Dosa. Well, you call it cheesy veg dosa, you call it chili cheese vegetable dosa, call it a melt-delicious dosa. The whole idea is make this with Britannia, the laughing cow. Let's begin. Let's first begin with the stuffing for the dosa, and in this case, it's going to be a chili vegetable stuffing. First things first, let's begin with butter. Let's add in some chopped green chilies, spring onion bulbs. Let's saute this for a while. Let's add in green capsicum, followed with red peppers, yellow peppers, steamed corn, dry herbs of choice, in this case, oregano, a touch of salt. We whack the flame on high and mix this well. Well, we just saute this for a couple of minutes and then we add in the rest of the ingredients. It's important to retain the bite of vegetables. Let's add in a tablespoonful of Szechuan sauce, and along with this, freshly cut coriander leaves, and finally, last but not the least, spring greens. Let's stir this well and keep this aside. Our filling is done and ready. Let's move this aside and let's begin with our dosa. Allow the pan to just kind of warm up slightly, and in the interim, let's quickly bring the batter to life, mixing it once, twice over. Let's add in some butter. Let's sprinkle in the stuffing generously. And now, coming to the most favorite part of this recipe, adding the cheese. Let's open the cubes in the easiest way possible. See the blue tab? Pull it open. Remove the outer packaging vertically. Enjoy as you like it. Once the sides of the dosa are nice and crisp, let's sprinkle in, grate in wholeheartedly, a generous amount of Britannia, the laughing cow cheese. As you can see, it's grating well and the cheese strands are of the right length. You'll see it slowly melts into this soft texture. It also melts fast and gives a creamy texture to your dish. Once the cheese looks smooth and creamy, you fold the dosa as per your liking or serve it open faced. Dosa looks incredible and even more delicious with the extra layer of cheese. Try this at home and let me know how you like it. Grab Britannia, the laughing cow cheese today in a store near you and online. To avail a special discount, use the coupon code. This is me, the Bombay chef Varun, signing off. Bye for now.